Flipping shapes. Today we're going to look at how to flip shapes. Now, if you think about flipping like a mirror, let's say this white line here is a mirror. Now when you look in the mirror, what you see in the mirror is a reflection of you. Now if I had this triangle and I was looking at that in the mirror, on the other side of the mirror it would look like this. So you can see that the two larger ends of the triangle, not the points down this end and here, but the two larger ends are back to back. So that is a flip. If I take away the mirror, that shape has been flipped. Now, if I was to take that one away for a second, and this time the mirror is going this way, the flip for that shape would look like this. So you can see that from here, this shape has been flipped like a reflection in a mirror. Have a look at these four sets of shapes. Now, what you can see is in this set here, a shape that has, something's happened from here to here. And again, something happened to this shape from here to here. This shape was the starting shape, and then it got to look like that. And then this was the starting shape, and now it's changed to that. So which one of these four sets of shapes do you think is showing a flip? Now, if you need to go back and have a look at the triangles that we flipped in the slide before, you can do that. But which one of these four sets of shapes is showing from the first one to the second one is a flip? Pause it here, have a bit of a think about it, and then when you think you've worked out which one it is, press play again. Okay, let's have a look. This one here, kind of like an L shape. Well, something has definitely changed, but what's happened to this one is it's been turned around, and that's not a flip. This one started as an L, and now it's been turned, and probably a flip in there somewhere, but we're just looking for a flip, so that mirror reflection. And this one, same thing. Something's changed here, that's not a flip. It's almost a flip, but it should be a different way around. And that leaves us with this one. Now if you ever look at this one, and you imagine a mirror running down here, you've got the same shape, but it's reflected. That's the one that is a flip. Same thing again, we've got four choices. Which one of these do you think is showing a flip? Pause, work it out, and then come back and get your answer. Okay, if you've had a look at that, you probably narrowed it down to either this one or this one. Now on this one, you can see it definitely has had a reflection of some kind. But if you look closely, there's the tip of that triangle with the large end at this side, but this one's got a large end at this side. So although they have been flipped, they've also had something else happen to them as well. This one, however, has the same end, same thing, but it's just been flipped this way. So it was like there was a mirror across here, and it's been flipped. So this one is your choice. That's a flip. Okay, how about this one? This shape has been flipped in one of these four squares. Pause it here, work out which one it is. Okay, looking at this first one, you can see we've got opposite ends here. So that's been turned. This one has also been turned. It's been rotated right around. It's not even facing the same way anymore. This one is exactly the same from here to here. And that's called a slide, and we'll look at that later. This one, ends are the same, So if we draw a mirror across there, we should have the long edge and the long edge together, which is what we've got. So that one is the flip. Wow,